Hey, how are you? Yeah, I'm kinda tired and work has been a little bit stressful, but it's okay. It's always okay. How are you? Huh? You look sad. What happened? Is it school? Oh, yeah, I figured. I figured. Why why don't you lie down? Sit down. Come here. Tell me what happened. Oh, okay. I see. Well, look, it's okay to fail sometimes. Sometimes you have to fail a little bit, and that's okay because you will value your good notes and the good work that you will do, because you will do good work. You'll put more value into it. It will pass. This too shall pass. And grades don't really show how smart you are. Yeah, they show how interested you are in the subject. They can show how quickly did you catch all the topics, but it doesn't really show how smart you are, and you need to take that into consideration. It doesn't show your abilities. If anything, it only shows how fast can you memorize stuff. And it can be influenced by a lot of things too. Maybe you don't like the schedule, you don't like the hour that the class is. You have to take the class. Maybe it's too early, maybe it's too late. Maybe you don't like the teacher, and maybe you don't understand the teacher, and that's alright. That happens. That's pretty common. And you can always try again. If it has a solution, just take it. You can always try again, especially in school. You can always have another try and another try. Just keep preparing yourself, keep getting ready, and don't give up. Don't just give up the entire class. It's not worth your time. You already invested a whole semester in it. It's not worth it to just drop off. It's okay to try again. It's gonna be alright. Here you can rest your head on my legs. Yeah, it's alright. Let me put a pillow on it. Yeah. Is that comfortable? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Of course it is. Damn, you really need to comb your hair. It's okay. So, like I was telling you, it's okay. It's gonna be okay. Just relax for now and be aware of the times that you can actually do something about it. For example, right now it's kinda late. Maybe right now is not the time to fix it or to work on it. But tomorrow, with sunlight and the rest of the day ahead of you, you can start working on it. studying, preparing yourself, and sometimes you don't even know where to begin. You are so lost in the classes and the topics at hand that you don't even know where to begin, and sometimes just even taking the time to figure out which topic do you have to understand first. That's okay. It's good enough. At least you're working on it. You're actually making progress, and mentally it's better to know you're working on it than not doing anything. Then, paralysis by analysis, I think you call them. Yeah, I think you call it that. That's okay, just start working on it. If you need help, of course you can ask for help. If I don't understand the topic, I might know someone who does, who can explain you. Seriously, it's not complicated. Teachers wouldn't put a class that is impossible for everyone to pass. Somebody has to know, and that somebody can explain to you. Yeah. Oh, I ask. Oh, look up. And besides that, how are you feeling? How are you? You're kinda stressed. You look stressed. Look. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out. That's okay. If you ever smoke pot, that's a tip. That's a technique for smoking weed. No, don't actually do it. It's a very expensive hobby, and it's not very healthy. It's cool, but it's not healthy, and it's very expensive for a student like you. It's expensive. Don't do it. No, I won't tell mom. I won't tell dad. Don't do it. Yeah, relax. Breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out. Okay. Breathe in. Hold it. Breathe out. Now, you're still tense. Very fucking tense. Let's do something. I want you to clench and really flex all your muscles in your body. Go, 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 go. Clench your fist, your jaw. Tense your shoulders, tense your legs, and let loose. Relax. Tense up again. Tense, tense, tense. Flex, clench, and let loose. Relax. Shake it up a little bit. Shake it off. Shake it off. That's good. Oh, you're doing good. Now you look a little more relaxed. Did you feel relaxed? No, that's alright. It's cool. Look, I have to go prepare dinner. I'm kinda hungry. Do you want something? Well, too bad, because I'm not preparing anything for you. I'm just joking. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that for my little sibling.